birthday ni Mike at sana po maging successful po ito ngayong araw na ito. At sana po maging masaya po ang araw na ito sa birthday po niya. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Ayan, alright, good afternoon everyone and welcome to McDonald's Kabiasnan. I am Kuya Raymond, your host for today, and this is Ate Kendra, my party assistant. So before we start, let us all welcome our birthday celebrant, Micah, with her mommy and daddy. Ayan, syempre bago tayo mag-start, batiin muna natin ang happy birthday si Micah, okay? Okay, pagkabilang ko batiin natin ang happy birthday, Micah. Okay, in 3, 2, 1! Ayan, isa pa yung mas malakas at mas matigla in 3, 2, 1! Ayan, happy birthday daw po Ate Micah. Okay, just ayan, syempre pag nag-start tayo, lahat ng mommies and daddy, tayo lang po muna sila. Lahat ng mommies and daddies. Ayan, tayo po sila. Ayan, eto may nilagay po ako dalawang Happy Meal box dyan po sa table. Ito po yung isa, pahawak mami. And then yung isa po is nandiyan po sa long table, tama po. Pahold na lang po. And then lahat ng kids, just take your seat muna. Si mami at si daddy po muna. And then sila kuya. Pahold po na isang Happy Meal box. Ayan. Once po na tumunog yung music, ipapasa po natin yung Happy Meal box sa katabi natin. Okay po? And then pag nag-stop po yung music, kung sino po may huling hawak ng Happy Meal box, sasayaw po siya dito sa harapan ng tiramisu cake. Okay po? Okay, so galingan po natin, alright? Okay, pass the Happy Meal box in 3, 2, 1. Ayan, sino muli may hawak ng Happy Meal box? Ayan, si dalawa pong mami. Come na lang po dito muna sa front. Ayan, come po tayo dito sa front. Si mami at si mami. Okay, assist mo sila, Ate Kendra. Ayan, kay kuya daw po yung isa. Okay, come po kayo dito sa front. Ayan, punta po tayo dito sa harapan. Ayan, and then ituturo po ni Ate Kendra yung sayaw na tiramisu cake na trending ngayon sa TikTok. Ayan, dito na lang po. Ayan, ang gagawin lang natin po is, hawak sa bewang, taas ng kamay, kembot, taas. Ayan, ready na ba? Ayan, ang galing naman. Palakpakan naman natin si Mami and si Tito. Okay po. Ayan, syempre sa ating first game sa lahat ng kids. Punta na lang po tayo dito lahat sa harapan. Lahat ng kids. Yan, lahat ng kids. Ayan, and then form po tayo ng big circle. Bilang po sila malaki.
In our zone, I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet, I got that hot blood in my back, magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't be control. I feel so hot, no ceiling when I'm in my
Okay, ready na ba?
sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my
Okay, pass. The Happy Meal Box is 3, 2, 1. Dance!
Everybody in the world likes chocolate. We love it. Oh, it makes you
Yes.
happy. Yeah, it gets you sexy. It makes you fat. But we don't care about that. Come on. Mama, she said, holy mother. Papa, he said, holy mother. Everybody want a chocolate. Chocolate. All the girls for candy, candy. All the bucket ready, ready. Everybody want a chocolate. Choco, choco. Choco, choco.
Ayan, sino kanina nag-stop? Ayan, pa nag-stop yung music, ibig sabihin, sasabihin natin siya ng babay. Dahil dyan, sample pa lang po natin yan. Okay, big circle ulit, big circle. Huwag po ibabati yung Happy Meal Box, okay po? Bawal ihaga, so ipapasa lang po natin siya sa katabi. Okay, pass. The Happy Meal Box in 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, it makes you happy. Yeah, it gets you sexy. It makes you fat. But we don't care about that. Come on. Mama, she said, holy mother. Papa, he said, holy mother. Everybody want a chocolate. All the girls for candy, candy. All the bucket ready, ready. Everybody want a chocolate. Choco, choco. Choco, choco.
Ops! Sino uling may hawak? Ano sasabihin natin? Ayan, take your seat. Diyan daw po muna. Ayan, bilog ulit, bilog ulit. Ayan, okay, pass. The Happy Meal Box in 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan!
Mama, she said, holy mother. Papa, he said, holy mother. Everybody want a chocolate. All the girls for candy, candy. All the bucket ready.
Ops! Ayan, sino rin may hawak ng Happy Meal Box? Ano sasabihin? Bye-bye! Take your seat. Okay, pass. The Happy Meal Box in 3, 2, 1, go!
We're the people on the left-hand side now. We're
Ops! Ayan, sino rin may hawak? Ano sasabihin natin? Ayan, take your seat. Okay, pass. The Happy Meal Box in 3, 2, 1, go!
sexy, make you fat, but we don't care about that. Come on. Mama, she said, holy mother. Papa, he said, holy mother. Everybody want a chocolate.
Ayan, guys!
All the girls for candy, candy. All the bucket ready, ready. Everybody want a chocolate. Choco, 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 choco. Everybody say chocolate. Choco, 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 choco. Everybody say chocolate.
Oops! Ayan, sino ulit may hawak na Happy Meal Box? Ano sasabihin natin? Ayan, take your seat. Okay, ilan na lang? Ay, unti na lang po sila. Magagaling ah. Okay, pack the Happy Meal box is 3 to 1.
A choco choco chocolate. A choco choco chocolate. A choco choco chocolate. A choco choco chocolate. A choco choco. Here we go. Mama, she said, roly poly. Papa, he said, holy moly. Everybody.
Oops! Ayan, ano sasabihin natin? Oops! Sino ulit may hawak ng Happy Meal box? Ano sasabihin natin? Ayan. Okay, pass. The Happy Meal box. O, backward kayo dito. Usok kayo dito. Ayan, pass the Happy Meal box in 3, 2, 1, go!
Wave to the people on the left hand side now. Wave to the people on the right hand side now. Wave to the people with a pretty backside. Now we do it all again and we feel alright.
Up! Ayan, sino huli may hawak ng Happy Meal box? Ayan, ano sasabihin natin? Ayan, take your seat. Okay. Okay, pass the Happy Meal box in 3, 2, 1, go!
Choco choco, a 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 choco choco. Everybody say chocolate, chocolate, a choco choco, chocolate, a choco choco, chocolate.
Up, sino huli may hawak ng Happy Meal box? Sino po? Ayan, sit down na po. Ayan, dahil dyan, may nanalo na po. Okay, get your prizes. Ayan, tapos picture po sa lahat ng winners. Ayan, picture sa lahat ng winners. Ayan, picture. Picture tayo sana, picture. Picture.
Players, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Hit the toe so clear. Look out. Pop, pop, it's showtime. 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 Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know. Downtown. Downtown. I bet they know it's
Ayan, okay. Yung next game po natin, lahat po ulit ng kids is kasali. Okay, kal na lang po ulit dito sa front, lahat ng kids. Ayan, sa lahat ng kids, come po kayo dito sa front. Ayan, bilang po ulit tayo ng malaki. Bilang po tayo ng malaki. Malaking circle. Okay, big circle na big circle. Big circle. Ayan. Ayan, yung next game natin is, tinatawag siya, The Boat is Sinking, Group Yourself. Okay? Pag sinabi ni Kuya Raymond na jump, 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 jump. Shake your body, jump, jump, jump. Okay po. And then group yourself. into 3. O, 3. Group kayo ng 3. Group yourself into 3. 3. 3. O, 3. O, eto 3 kayo, 3. 3. O, one more pa. One more pa. Ayan, okay po. Ganyan pa. O, ulit. Big circle, big circle. Big circle. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Shake your body, jump, jump, jump. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into 5. Count kayo 5. 5. 5, 5, 5. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5. 5. Ayan, sakto po kayo. Okay, big circle ulit. Big circle. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Shake your body, jump, jump, jump. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into 7. Ayan, 1. Oh, wait lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, out na po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sino tanggal dyan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, may tanggal sa inyo dalawa. Sino out? Out na daw po. Take your seat. At sa next game na lang po tayo. Sa next game, take your seat na lang. Ayan, dito po 7. Dito po yung 7. Dito po. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Shake your body, jump, jump, jump. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into 4. 4. Count ng 4. Count ng 4. 4. Dalawa dito, dalawa. Ayan, 4. Out mo si baby. Okay, out. Big circle ulit, big circle. Jump, jump, jump. Shake your body, jump, jump, jump. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into 5. Oh, 5. 5 na yung girls. Ay, out na sila kuya, dalawang kuya. Take your seat. Okay. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Shake your body, jump, jump, jump. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into 1. 1. Only 1. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Shake your body, jump, jump, jump. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into 3. Out na si kuya. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Shake your body, jump, jump, jump. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into 4. 4. Ay, out na si ate. Take your seat. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Shake your body, jump, jump, jump. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into 3. Out na si kuya. Sino out? Wala sa circle. Sino out? Out na siya. Okay, 6 na lang. Okay, circle kayo, circle. Jump, jump, jump. Shake your body, jump, jump, jump. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into 1. Ayan, nagagaling. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Shake your body, jump, jump, jump. The boat is sinking. Group yourself into 5. Sino out? Si Kuya. Out na si Kuya. At tingnan si Ayan, may winners na tayo. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Get your prizes.
Do it for me. I love you round, 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 'cause you're so sexy. She tastes like cola.
Ayan, syempre yung next date natin, kailangan ko ng tulong ni Mami at ni Daddy. Ayan yung next game po natin is kailangan po namin ng tulong ni Mami at Daddy para pumili po ng 3 Mami at 3 pong Daddy. Okay po?
When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night in the song. 'Cause she thinks, can I try it, baby? You don't have to be shy. You seem to be on your own, and I'm wondering why.
3 boys, 3 girls. Mami! Yes, Mami! 3 girls tsaka boys na very beautiful girls. Sasayaw daw po. Boys daw. 3 pang boys po, sa harap. Sino po yung pwedeng boys? Ayan, sino pa po? 3 pong daddy? 3 daddy or Tito? Tito? Kuya? Or mga kuya? Sino po ang pwede? Kuya, kuya. Doon po, dali. At hindi nandiyo na pwedeng umihi. Okay. Boys. Ayan, 2 pa po. 2 pa. Kuya RJ, go there. RJ, come. Dali na. Come. Bako. Ano na lang tope? Ay, Lolo Ed. Lolo Ed, where are you? Lolo, Tito, Kuya,
Yes po.
Daddy.
Dalawa na lang po na boys.
2 boys. Where are you po? Ay! Si Daddy Jero, nasaan? Sige na, Archie. Dali mga big boys. Kompleto na ba?
Ayan, 2 na
Okay.
yan. Kompleto na po.
Thank you po, daddies and mommies and kuya. Ano pong gagawin niyo, sir? Ay, naku, talo na kayo. Ay.
Hello. Ayan. Siyempre lahat po ng lobo is nasa unahan lang po lahat ng lobo. Next game, ang laro po natin is Walk Like a Grimace. Okay po. Bali yung 2 pong lobo is nandito po sa una. Ayan po. Yan. And then nandito po sa yan. Okay. And then karerano po sila. Ikot po sila dito, sir. Ma'am. Pag-ikot po nila dito, ma'am. Kaya po sila. And then, a-assemble po nila yung ayan, pa-pyramid po. Yes po.
Then pagkabalik po dito, ibabalik lang po sa kayo.
Ayan. And then kung sino po yung last, kung sino po yung pinaka-last, ayan na mag-a-assemble po. After nyo po niya magawa, is puputokin nyo po yung lobo. Yes po.
Sa baby mo ba kung matamaan ko?
Ay, usog ka baby. Ayan, okay po. Babalik po sila sa umpisa. Okay. Ay, Gusto ko, baby. Yes po, habang nasa mo po nakaganyan po sila, nandiyan po yung mga balloons. Okay, ready? Get set, go!
I say I'm too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say.
Ayan, next na po.
Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the players gonna play. And the haters gonna hate, baby. I'm just gonna shake. Shake it out, shake it out. Heartbreakers gonna break. And the haters gonna fake, baby. I'm just gonna shake it out. I'm never miss a beat. I'm lightning on my feet, and that's what they don't see. That's what they don't see.
Ayan, last one na po. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Ang Team Mommies or Team Daddy? Sabay na sabay.
They don't know. That's what they don't know. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music.
Ayan, puputok kay Pilobo. Puputok kay Pilobo sa upuan. Ay, nanalo na po ang mga Team Daddy. Ayan, ayun po yung prizes. Ayan, okay, yung next game po natin is for kids ulit. Kailangan ko po ng 5 girls and then 5 boys na kids. Kailangan ko po ng 5 girls. Ayan, sit down po muna, sit down. Sit down po muna. Sit down, take your seat first. Go back to your seats first. Go back to your seats muna. Balik mo na sa upuan. Balik mo na sa upuan. Balik mo na sa upuan. At Ate Maika, ayan, pili ka ng 5 girls tapos 5 boys na maglalaro.
Ayun po. Alessia po si Kylie.
Ayan siya daw ta si Kylie. Tatlo pa po, tatlo.
Si Britney at si Jerry.
Si Britney, tapos sino po?
Si Jerry.
Cherry. Ayan, isa pa po, isa pa. Ay, kompleto na po yung girls. Sa boys naman.
Si Clyde.
Si Clyde.
Ethan.
Si Ethan.
Nathan.
Nathan.
Denzel.
Si Jensen daw po. Ay, ano po? At then, ano pa nga nung isang Denzel po, no? Ayan, nakompleto na po yung isa si Denzel. Okay, follow line. Ayan, follow line po kayo. Follow line. Girls, pila po, pila. Pila. Okay, yung next game natin is tinatawag natin siya Shoot the Straw. Okay po? Okay, yung next game natin, isatawag natin siya, shoot that straw. Okay, kailangan po sila shoot yung straw. Okay, practice muna. Shoot natin straw. Player number 1, player number 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. At try nga muna, practice po tayo, shoot yung straw. Lalapit po, lalapit. Lalapit, and then shoot mo yung straw. Shoot. Shoot. Ganun po. Oh, next. Yan. Ayan. Tatayo. McDonald's sign. Diyan sa McDonald's sign. Ayan. Tapos kunin yung straw. Yan. And then the next player, pasa mo kay next. And then, punta sa likod. Ayan. Yan. Practice lang yung practice. Yan. Oh, McDonald's sign, Kendeng. Ayaw kuha. McDonald's sign, Kendeng. Yan. McDonald's sign. Use this sign.
Pagkatapos na namin,
Ayan na, okay. Pag sino yung last, pagtapos na sila, sisigaw tayo na Happy Birthday, Maika. Okay po. Okay po. Atras po tayo, atras. Ayan na, huwag niyo kakalimutan yung McDonald's sign, tapos Kendeng. Okay po. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay po. Ready? Get set. Ready? Get set. Go!
I say I'm too late. Got nothing in my brain.
McDonald's sign.
That's what people
Kendeng,
say.
yes!
That's what people say.
Ayan, kuha.
I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay.
Kendeng.
At least that's what people say. That's what people say. But I keep cruising, can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the players gonna play, and the haters gonna hate, baby.
Okay, last one na. Let's go.
Shake it out. Heartbreakers gonna break, baby. And the haters gonna fake, baby. I'm just gonna shake. Shake it out. I'll never miss a beat. I'm lighting on my feet, and that's what they don't see. That's what they don't see. I'm crazy to go.
Ayan, winner na yung boy. Okay. I'll get your guys' na tas picture ka front. Take your seat. Ayan yung girls, take your seat na muna yung girls.
shake, shake. Shake it off, shake it off. Break it down, break, 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 break. And the ice on bake, 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 baby. Ice on shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, shake it off.
Ayan, okay, yung next game natin is lahat po kasali. Mommy, Daddy, and then lahat po ng kids, lahat kasali. The next game, yung next game po natin is Bring Me, okay? Ang una po makakapagdala ng 2 tao, siya po yung winner. Okay po, Bring Me. Ayan, okay, McDonald's says Bring Me. Bring me 5 pesos coins. 5. 4. Dalawa lang po. Sino na makapagdala na 2? 1. Okay, meron na po. 2. Okay na, okay na. Ayan, sabi na yung 5 piso. Ay, okay na po. Kala ko sabi na yung 5 piso. Sayang naman. Okay, next. Bring me McDonald's says bring me invitation cards. 5. 4. Invitation card. The invitation card galing kay mommy or kay daddy. Wala. Isa lang. Ay, meron pa isa. Yan. Okay, McDonald's says bring me 500 pesos. 5. 4. 3. Ayan. Ay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wala na. Okay na po. Kala ko sa amin may valid. Ayaw na na ibang. Kukunin niya na ayaw na kunin. Okay, McDonald's says bring me 1,000 pesos! 1! Ay, meron na. 2 lang. Meron na po. Ay, meron na po. Okay. Ayan. Ayan, 3 po yung mananalo dito. Una po makakapagdala ng 3. Siya po yung winner. McDonald's says bring me 40 hot. 5, 4, 3. Ay, okay na po. Meron na. Meron na. Take your seat. Meron na po. Ayan. Okay, take your seat po muna para maserve po namin yung food. Okay po. Just take your seat po muna.
Hello, Mike. Check. Okay, gutom na ba lahat? Hi! Hello! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Ayan, very good. At dahil dyan, isa-serve na namin yung food. Sit down muna lahat tayo para lahat tayo may food. Thank you so much.
Ayong waki daw po. Ayan, next naman po yung mga mommies and daddies. Picture po tayo with birthday celebrant and with hamburger. Ayan, picture po natin ng mommies and daddies. Picture po tayo sa front. Ayan, lahat naman po ng mommies and daddies. Ayan, lahat po ng mommies and daddies, tito at titas. Pag na lang po dito sa front para po for picture. Thank you. Ayan, come here na lang po muna sa front. Lahat po ng mommies and daddies. Titos and titas, ate and kuya. Picture na lang po muna with birthday celebrant with parents. Take your seat first. Take your seat. Ayan, come closer po. Ayan, lahat daw po ng boys, upo na lang din daw po sa front. Sabi po ng photographer. Ayan.
Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight.
Ayan, one, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Waki daw po, waki. Mas waki daw po. Ayan. Okay, next naman po. Ayan, smile! O, tabi, upo muna, upo. Smile! One.
We gonna shut them down. Y'all thought we killed them with the last one. Remix. DD, DS Brother, Slow Rider, Pitbull, Blue Rock, DJ Loud.
Yan, smile! Ayan. Ayan, picture po muna, Daddy. Daddy, Mami, tapos po si birthday celebrant. Picture po muna sa nato. Ayan si Daddy. 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 And then si Ate Mai, Papa. Picture po muna silang tatlo dito. Ayan, picture. Nice man. Ayan, picture. Picture sit daw po muna. Picture sit daw po muna. Ayan, okay na po. Ayan, sa lahat pa po na gusto magpa-picture kay Habi, magpa-picture na po sila. Ayan, sa lahat po na gusto magpa-picture na po sila. Tabi muna, tabi po, tabi daw po muna. May magpipicture po muna. Ayan, picture. Smile! Dito na tingin, dito tingin. Open your mouth daw. Yan. Take your seat na muna, take your seat. Smile. Take your seat. Picture daw po. Ayan, si babay na po to, Happy. Ay, teacher pa po.
Kunin mo kayo para pag-iwan ko pag-iwan sa kanya.
Picture daw po muna silang dalawa. Sila muna dalawa. Smile. Thank you. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye. At sige po. Ayan, say bye-bye na po to, Happy. Ayan, bye-bye na. Ayan, say bye-bye na po.
Come a little closer, 'cause you look thirsty. I'ma make it better, sip it like a service. Now count chili, get it free like Billy. In the jeans like Billy, you be popping like a willy. Even in the sun, you know I keep it icy. You could take a lick, but it's too cold to bite me. Bird, closer, you the one being chosen. Play the part like Moses, keep it fresh like roses. Looks so good, yeah, so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Coldest with the kiss, so he call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Hey, baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so he call me ice cream. You could double dip, 'cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. I know that my heart can be so cold, but I'm sweet, but you can put me in a cotton. You're the only touch, yeah, to get me melting. He's a pig player, always gotta pick him. You're the cherry picture, stay on top of me, so I can't see nobody else but me, no. Get it, skip it, do it like that, yeah, yeah. Like it, love it, like it, do it like la la la, oh yeah. Looks so good, yeah, so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Coldest with the kiss, so he call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Hey, baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so he call me ice cream. You could double dip, 'cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream.
you wanna know. Just pour another drink with me. Come on, pour another more. I'll treat you like a lady. I'll keep
Pila,
you
kids, pila, pila.
baby. Even when we're apart. I was standing like this. You can see we just getting started.
Girls, boys, girls, boys.
Pila, pila lang, kids.
Hindi, isang
Down lang.
just take your seat after.
Pila lang muna. Pila.
Yung mga meron na just take your seat na, take your seat.
Sit down muna.
Take your seat
down.
muna, just take your seat first.
Upo muna tayo, upo muna.
Ayan, upo muna lahat ng kids.
Pila muna lahat ng boys. Maayos na pila ha, bibilangin natin. Ito pila, sundan niyo si Kuya. One. Pag hindi nakapila, hindi bibigyan ha.
Lahat
Okay.
muna ng boys ha, listen muna kay
Boys
Ate
lang muna,
Kendra.
boys. Boys lang muna, boys.
All boys, just fall in line dito sa front.
All boys, pila lang muna, boys. Ang hindi nakapila, walang gift.
And then sa lahat ng girls, dito po sa akin, pila po sila. All girls, here, here, here.
Boys dito, boys ha. Dito, boys. Boys, pila, boys. Boys, pila.
Pila lahat ng girls. All girls.
Wala nang boys? One. Kuya,
Come here. Wala na po bang girls na kids?
boys dito, boys. Kuya. Kuya, come here. Kuya. Hindi, wait lang. Wait lang pa. Ayun o. Pila, pila girls. Ang hindi nakapila, walang gift.
Take your seat. Ay, paulitin muna ng maayos. Paulitin muna ng maayos. Ayan, wala nang gagalaw. Gumalaw, walang gift. Okay, listen muna, listen.
Pila lang muna.
Okay, dyan muna ha, ang umalis sa pila. Hindi mabibigyan ng gift galing kay Ate Maika. Okay, so walang makulit. Okay po, pila lang po sila. Bigay mo. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Micah.
Ayan.
Happy birthday, Micah.
Pila lang dyan.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Maida. Thank you, Maida.
Come here na. Isa na. Girls, come here dito, girls. Girls. Girls, yung pila. Ayan, and then sa akin yung isa, thank you din po. Thank you, Micah. Thank you po.